dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay?
What's this, Sush?
Mozzarella roast.
It looks yum though.
Try kar go.
What is this, Swati?
Chicken parma.
Chicken parma, is it? And this is the only thing that Swati is having because she is on diet.
No, I'm not on diet. This is not diet food.
I don't know.
I just don't feel like having it.
Okay, she doesn't feel like having. And I'm having my pizza. And so she's taking Insta pictures. If you take Insta pictures, it's nicer. Let me to have a bite. Wait. This pizza one was not at all great. The back is a little raw and this basil is also a little raw. Sush's, I think the one which I showed later was good.
This is good. This
This
is
was good, is it? Even I like this a lot. This is the best.
After before coming to a restaurant.
She ate breakfast and she came. We came breakfastless. So I think that's why the pizza was not good. I thought at least I'll have some side dish. And everybody's dish was very light, so yeah.
Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever.
Okay, hi guys. Hi back again. So my mum is planning for batatambade as she promised. So I vlogged a little bit of boiling of potatoes and then I couldn't vlog much. I was editing the previous video that I'm gonna upload, like the biscuit ambade one. So if you've not watched it, please go ahead and watch it. So in that video she had promised that next week she's gonna make batat ambade. Okay, so that is my actual favorite. So yeah, that's why she's making batat ambade and she's prepared a couple of things. Actually she's gone, I think, to get clothes out from washing machine. That's why I'm just vlogging a little bit. She'll be back in some time and then we'll get started. Okay, yeah, let's wait for her. First thing, yeah, so this is basically the chutney. So it's a little green in color. That's because it's same as the biscuit ambade chutney recipe, but the only difference is that she's put a little bit of coriander into it. Yeah, that's the chutney. And I think you'll put tadka also, no, Mama? Tempering.
No, tadka.
Today we are not putting tadka because our mother is in the lazy mood, Saturday mood. Wait, Mama. Okay, yeah. Oh, sorry. So last time we didn't put ginger. Mother's logic, Mother India's logic. So that's why we're not putting tadka to this. Okay. Yeah.
Tadka kalkat.
Yeah.
Radha needs tadka, but she's gonna just ignore him and she's gonna she's gonna do her own thing.
Okay, so this is we're gonna make balls out of those potatoes and the mixture and everything, and then finally we're gonna dip in this and then we're gonna deep fry it. So this batter is basically ground flour and salt and a little bit of water. 1 cup of ground flour and very little bit of water. Like you should have a very thick consistency. So like maybe like 10 spoons or like what? 10 spoons or 4-5 spoons, I think. उद्दा कितलं
हां अशेलच एक कप उदकात
she doesn't know, okay.
मेंदा तर करच्या
Yeah, okay, she just puts approximately, okay. She's not sure how many tablespoons of water. It's like very less basically, okay. Earlier one that I showed, right? This is basically boiling the potatoes, peeling them, and then smashing them. But don't smash way too much. Smash
yes.
only like until it comes in the shape. Yeah, I'll show you the tadka thing. So this is what urad dal and a spoon of urad dal have put in a oil.
झाड आणि घाट मसाला चांगला ना पळेला ना
Wait, दाखवला आता.
एक स्पून सासा मग
Mustard seeds,
घाट मसाला तिके तांबडा दाखवून
dried
बेळपल्ला
curry leaves, chili,
ग्रीन चिली
ginger is gonna go in next some time. Ginger, and then we're done. Okay. And we are gonna just fry it, like saute it basically, yeah. It gives a nice flavor actually. If you fry them and then you'll put it into the potatoes, right? You put directly, you'll get like a little raw flavor. So that's why to avoid that raw ginger and raw thing, right? So, yeah. So it's done. So we did hardly for like a minute or two. Then pour it inside. Which is mixing this now. Make round balls out of it. You have to add actually salt to the potatoes itself. Okay, I forgot to tell that, I guess. You have to add salt while boiling only. But for some reason the salt is very less is what she felt. So she's adding a little bit salt now. Yeah, you can add salt if you feel like it's less. My mom had added earlier, but still it's a little less basically. So yeah. So you can see the ambades are ready to go and get dipped into this thing and then go into and then deep fry it. This is so easy. I thought it's difficult.
ಈಜಿ ಗಾನೆ ಬಟಾಟ್ ದನ್ಪ ಸಿಚಂದರ ಈಜಿ ಕೊತ್ತಂಬರಿ ದನ್ಪರ ಕಪ್ಪೆ ಪಕಡಿ ಈಜಿ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಆಟವಾಟನೋರ್ಲಿ ಈಜಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೋ ಈಜಿ ಕೊಂಡಾಕ ಉರ್ತದಾಳಿ ಸಸ ಕಪ್ಪೆ ಪಲ್ಪ ರೆಡಿ ಕಲ ಈಜಿ ಹೇ ರೆಡಿ ಕಲ ಈಜಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಗಲ್ಲ ಈಜಿ ಜಣಪಿಟ್ ಕಲ ಈಜಿ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸೋ ಈಜಿಯಾ एक कटर का ढाकर दौर ना इधर मशीन ला पुसिल नातला इजी बट बे साल काढून 50 वेळा म्हणायचं इजी
एडिट करत असेल ना मा
एडिट कडे करून नजवाय आम्ही ट्राय करते नजवाय
करता नहीं वगैरह करता मला आज ही अपलोड कर काम आता है पहले है एडिट करून बस का ना
किती पड़ा पूरा कर का
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?